This is how to make a fire with vegetable spray.
Need matches. No,
no, please, let me. Woo!
Doesn't work that good.
It works good enough. So the fire's gonna go out if we don't do something.
I know.
Or if I do something.
Yeah.
Please shut us down.
Ho, shut us down. Don't stop, make it hot.
That's an envelope she's
Yep.
putting there.
These
And
are
I
all
believe she's
college
putting
letters.
college letters. They're going in our campfire. That's smart.
I'm not going to college. Ho, shut us down.
We will get this fire started if it takes the rest of our lives.
Okay,
Well,
yeah.
at least
I have
we'll give
school.
it an hour. We'll give it an hour.
Yeah, I was gonna say I have school. It's Monday. Gotta have to go to that.
So that's just cardboard burning. The real test is when the cardboard dies down. You might want to get the matches away from the fire. Because
There goes your
that could
teepee.
happen. My teepee. It was a rather nice teepee.
No, obviously not.
You're mean.
I'm just kidding. I love you. It was a very nice teepee.
Smoke.
Might want to move them. I'm just saying. I'm serious about the moving.
I like it where I am.
Okay.
This better start. I want marshmallows. You should have gotten chocolate when you're at the store.
Oh, yeah. Okay, I'm gonna move this out of the way.
You don't by any chance have a random Hershey's bar.
Not that I know.
Okay.
I don't have enough money for chocolate.
When will it start?
How long is this video gonna be?
We're pushing 240.
2
Well, I'm
minutes.
gonna go now because the battery's dead.
Okay.
I'll put new batteries in and tell you if we make the fire. Bye.
Bye.